Hi, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, feel free to like, comment, and subscribe. So today I'm just gonna jump right in it, and I'm gonna be talking about some skincare that I just got. Now you can see on my channel I talk a lot about Dollar Tree skincare, and throughout the few months I really wanted to up my skincare a bit, so I wanted to try something that was a bit more like a higher end skincare line. And I decided I was gonna go with medical grade skincare, and I got the Dr. Obagi Discovery Kit. Now, this kit normally runs $90, but there was a special and it was 50% off, so I believe it was $45. I'm gonna show you, you get 4 items that come inside of it, and I'm gonna show you what items those are. So you're gonna get the first item, which is the Obagi New Derm Cleanser. Now this is for normal to oily skin. I actually think that as I've gotten older, my skin is more on the dry side. So, oh, look what we have. We have a cat butt. Okay, let's get down. Thank you. Okay, so my skin is more on the drier side. So I think the next go round I'm gonna get this by itself, but for dry skin. The next is the Obagi New Derm Toner. Absolutely love it. It's to restore the skin's natural pH. The next is the Professional Serum, 20% absorbic acid and vitamin C serum. Look how small. It's small. It's a discovery kit, so the stuff is small. And then this is the Elastoderm facial serum as well. So this is 0.7 ounces. It's very small. This is 0.7 ounces. But the cleanser and the toner is pretty large at 2 fluid ounces. Now I've been using this whole kit for, I think I got maybe 2 weeks out of it. These are, I mean, you only need a very small amount, so you're not gonna be able to really see the difference that the skincare can do because these just don't have enough. But as I've been trying it, I say about 2.5 weeks I've been trying it, I absolutely love these 2 products. These 2 products I definitely will get again. I have never found a cleanser that takes off your makeup without stripping your skin like this one. Let's see what's in it. I'll probably have to look, but it says a daily foaming gel cleanser designed to unclog pores, remove makeup, dirt, and excess oil, deeply cleanses to leave oily skin clarified and refreshed. And I can tell you it really does do that. This cleanser is the best cleanser I've ever used, and I will be getting this cleanser again. The toner, I'm not a huge toner girl. I was using the Ordinary glycolic toner, and I like that. But I can say I really like this toner too. It doesn't burn the skin, and I can see that it makes my skin a lot more smoother. Toner formulated with witch hazel, aloe vera to balance and maintain your skin's natural pH. Helps to remove impurities, dead skin, and reveal a fresher looking complexion. Prime skins for the next step in your skincare routine. I can definitely say that. I put this on a couple drops on a little cotton round and just wipe it on my face, and I love it. So of the Discovery Kit, these are gonna be the 2 items that I definitely get again. Now for the Professional Serum, I do like a vitamin C serum. I don't know how much this costs just by itself. I'm pretty sure it's expensive. The cleanser, I think by itself was like $125, and that's for the cleanser and the toner. So this is a pretty expensive skincare. That's why I wanted to try just the Discovery Kit just to see how it is before I invest in the full skincare line. But the serum I do like. I feel as though I could dupe this. I haven't looked enough into the ingredients, but I've tried so many different skincare lines and products that the moment I put something on my face, I can kind of tell like what it performs like. And if you've ever used Vichy's vitamin C serum, this performs like that. I believe it's Vichy or La Roche-Posay. Oh, I always forget, one of the two. But one of those two, this performs like that. And I believe their vitamin C serum is either 15 or 20%. But this does perform like that. So I think I will continue with the vitamin C serum, but I'm not going to get this one. This one is just too expensive. I'm just not going to do that. The next is the Elastoderm, which is a facial serum. Now, there was no moisturizer in this kit. It just comes with those 4 products. So if your skin needs a bit more moisturizer, I would opt for something simple when you're using these products and you kind of want to see how these products perform without altering the skincare. I would get something super, super simple and gentle, like maybe a La Roche-Posay Toleriane moisturizer, something very gentle and light, just so you can see how these products perform on the skin before getting another moisturizer. There's not a moisturizer in this discovery kit, so you have to take that into account. Just a little bit about Obagi. So Obagi Medical transforms the skin through clinically proven science-based solutions. It's been around for about 35 years, and it's tested on all skin tones. When I was on YouTube and I wanted to get this, I actually wanted to get the Zoe skincare, and I couldn't find very many women of my complexion doing reviews on the skincare. And so I looked for Dr. Obagi because they're the same, and I still didn't see that many doing reviews. I found a few, and they were from like 5 and 6 years ago. I saw nothing recent, and I was like, okay, let me just give it a try. And they had this discovery kit. Now I'm thinking about buying this discovery kit again because it is only $45, and I do like the cleanser and the moisturizer, and to me $45 is a good deal if I just get the cleanser and the moisturizer and just use that. I mean, I'll have the vitamin C serum, and I can kind of throw that in my bag when I'm traveling, and the Elastoderm serum, I could use that too if I wanted to, but to me it's not, maybe it just wasn't enough. The product wasn't big enough for me to really get it on my skin and see how it performed. The only thing that I could see performing well with me was the cleanser and the toner. And I'm guessing because it's big enough, there's still a lot. I don't know if you can see that. If you can see, there's still a lot of toner left in there. And it's still a lot of cleanser left in here as well. And like I said, I've been using it, geez, I say 3 weeks, like 2.5, 3 weeks. So this didn't only last me 2.5 weeks. You're really not going to be able to test it out that much. And you use the serum, the vitamin C, just in the day, but everything else you're using day and night. So it is a lot to be using, and you're not going to be able to see that many results with it. But I do say it's definitely worth getting if you want to. It is gonna be expensive. I would say try the discovery kit first and see how you like it before you go out and do a huge investment and actually spend that money on the whole entire kit. The one that I want to get, I believe it's a 6-step regimen. That's the one I saw online where everybody was talking about. Once again, it wasn't very many women my complexion talking about it, but there were a lot of people talking about it, said that it did wonders for their skin, and that there is a coupon code if you go directly to Dr. Obagi, and that kit is originally like $5.20, but with the coupon it comes down to like $4.46, something like that. So it's a little bit of a discount. I don't believe the discount code works on the Discovery Kit. It's already on sale for the $45. I don't know how long that's gonna last, but I might actually go and pick up another Discovery Kit just to have the toner and the cleanser. But I'm still on the hunt for a serum and a moisturizer that I think is going to really set off my skincare regimen. These are going to be my staples. I'm not changing cleanser and toner. I love this cleanser and toner. Let me say, if I do change anything, it may be I may get the cleanser for normal to dry skin, but because I have kind of combination skin. But these two by far, I love these. I can see a difference in my skin with just these two products. So that alone, for $45, I would recommend the kit. So if you like these videos where I do a little bit about skincare, a little bit of reviews, stick around. I'm gonna try to be more consistent on this channel. If you have any comments about different products, like I said, I've tried so many skincare products. I've been an esthetician now for 7 years, and prior to that I worked in the beauty field, and one job that I had was literally to test products. Like, that was part of my job. They would send me a box probably like this big of products, and that was my, like, essentially part of my job is to actually get the product on my skin, test it, see how it feels. I would have so much product. So that spanned from skincare to makeup to hair products, just so many products. So if you have any questions about dupes or anything skincare, beauty related, just drop down in the comments and let me know. But thank you so much for joining me. Until next time, bye.